Looking to explore the night sky like never before? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best telescopes in 2026, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and serious stargazers alike. Whether you want to get a closer look at the moon, planets, or deep sky objects, we've got options that deliver incredible clarity and value. We've carefully selected these telescopes based on performance, features, and overall user experience, so you can find the perfect match for your needs. Check out the product links in the description below to learn more and grab the best deals available right now. Let's get started. 5. HAWCO Telescope 9DAO 900. Explore the universe like never before. HAWCO High-Powered Astronomical Telescope. Ready to take your stargazing to the next level? The HAWCO Astronomical Telescope is designed for both beginners and seasoned explorers, delivering impressive 36x to 270x magnification with a 900mm focal length. Perfect for viewing the moon, planets, and distant landscapes in stunning detail. Its 90mm large aperture and professional FMC coating boost light transmission by up to 73%, ensuring brighter, sharper, and crystal clear images every time. Built with a durable stainless steel AZ mount tripod, this telescope offers smooth 360-degree rotation and adjustable height for effortless tracking and comfort wherever you go, from your backyard to camping adventures. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly, taking just 15 minutes, and the included smartphone adapter lets you easily capture and share your discoveries. Watch it in action on YouTube and see the stars come to life. Complete with all essential accessories, the HAWCO Telescope is your all-in-one gateway to the cosmos. Start your journey today. 4. Dwarf Lab Dwarf 3. Discover the freedom to explore the universe with the ultra-light Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. Engineered for adventure, at just 3 pound, 1.35 kilograms, it slips effortlessly into your backpack so you're always ready for spontaneous stargazing or wildlife spotting. Its advanced dual imaging system combines a powerful telephoto lens for capturing distant subjects like planets, wildlife, and landscapes with a wide-angle lens perfect for sweeping Milky Way shots and immersive star trails, giving you unmatched versatility day or night. With professional-grade 4K auto-tracking, it intelligently follows celestial objects and moving subjects, ensuring every shot is sharp, stable, and breathtaking. Thanks to cloud-powered processing via the intuitive Dwarf Lab app, you can transform raw captures into stunning images in minutes. No computer or complicated editing required. Designed for everyone from beginners to seasoned explorers, you can start capturing incredible astrophotography in just 2 minutes. Complete with all essential accessories, the Dwarf 3 is your all-in-one gateway to effortless, high-quality imaging wherever your journey takes you. 3. MESA 9800. Discover the universe like never before with this powerful 90mm aperture astronomical telescope designed to bring distant celestial wonders into stunning clarity. Featuring an 800mm focal length, f8.88, and fully multi-coated optical glass lenses, it captures more light for brighter, sharper images, perfect for viewing the moon, planets, and beyond. With adjustable magnification ranging from 32x to 240x, thanks to the included 10mm and 25mm eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, you can explore incredible lunar detail and deep sky objects with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring astronomer, this professional refractor telescope offers a user-friendly experience with quick 10-minute assembly and a detailed guide to get you started fast. The adjustable stainless steel tripod ensures stable viewing at any height, while the included phone adapter lets you capture and share your discoveries instantly. Compact, portable, and complete with a carry bag, it's the perfect companion for backyard stargazing, camping adventures, or unforgettable nights under the stars, bringing the cosmos closer than ever before. 2. G-Skyer Astronomical Refracting. Discover the universe with ease using this high-performance refractor telescope designed for both beginners and aspiring astronomers. Featuring superior optics with a 400mm focal length and 70mm aperture, its fully coated glass lens ensures high light transmission for crisp, stunning views of the moon, stars, and beyond, while also protecting your eyes during observation. The telescope includes 2 interchangeable eyepieces and a powerful 3x Barlow lens, allowing you to significantly enhance magnification for detailed celestial viewing. A 5 by 24 finder scope with crosshair lines helps you quickly and accurately locate objects in the night sky. Capture and share your discoveries effortlessly using the included smartphone adapter and wireless remote, making astrophotography simple and fun. Built with an adjustable aluminum alloy tripod, this telescope provides stable viewing from multiple angles, and the included carry bag makes it perfect for travel and storage. Backed by a trusted manufacturer, you can explore the cosmos with confidence and satisfaction. 1. Celestron NexStar 8SE Computerized Telescope. Take your stargazing experience to the next level with the Celestron NexStar 8SE telescope, where advanced technology meets an iconic design that's trusted by astronomers worldwide. Featuring a powerful 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optical system, this telescope gathers impressive amounts of light to reveal stunning lunar detail, Jupiter's cloud bands, and distant galaxies with remarkable clarity, all in a compact, portable build. Its fully computerized go-to mount, powered by the intuitive NexStar's hand control, gives you access to a database of over 40,000 celestial objects, automatically locating and tracking them with precision. No complicated charts required. Thanks to Sky-Align technology, setup is quick and beginner-friendly. Simply align using any 3 bright stars or planets, and you're ready to explore in minutes. Designed to grow with you, the NexStar 8SE is compatible with a wide range of Celestron accessories for enhanced control and performance. Backed by a 2-year warranty and expert US-based support, this telescope is the perfect blend of innovation, reliability, and discovery. Ideal for anyone ready to unlock the wonders of the night sky. And that wraps up our top 5 best telescopes for 2026. Whether you're just starting your stargazing journey or upgrading your gear, there's something on this list for everyone. If any of these caught your eye, you can find all the product links down in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.